We are now located at that moment in the historic process when, from our eschatological perspective, Dajjal is about to transit to the third and final stage of his mission. And you read Jerusalem in the Quran, you'll understand what I'm talking about here. In the first stage of his mission, about which the Prophet ﷺ had spoken, the world experienced the emergence of Pax Britannica, with the sterling pound emerging as an international currency. That didn't happen by accident. In stage 2, Pax Americana replaced Pax Britannica, and the US dollar replaced the sterling pound as the international currency. This is not by accident. And our view, expressed in Jerusalem in the Quran, which was published in 2002, is that Pax Judaica will replace Pax America, and a new international currency will replace the US dollar. We do not know whether that new international currency will be the Israeli shekel or the Bangkok, or whether the Zionist bankers will coin a new name for electronic money. Whatever be the name of that new international currency or global money that would succeed the US dollar, it should be clear that it will be based on the same petro-money foundation as the petrodollar. This would not be possible without an alliance between Israel and the Arab oil-producing states, Saudi Arabia in particular. So we are now able to understand more clearly why Prophet Muhammad, Allah's blessings be upon him, made that ominous declaration concerning Najd. That's where the Saudi rulers have emerged, Najd. He said that from Najd would come the horns of Satan. The greatest of all dangers posed by the petro-money monetary system is it allows the Zionist-controlled banking system to create as much money as they wish. There is no legal limit to the creation of money. The sky is the limit. And then they will lend it to Egypt. And then Egypt will have to toe the line to get the IMF loan. There is no legal limit to the creation of money. The wealth can then be used to enslave those who oppose Israel, while enriching those who support Israel. In fact, many people in the world today already live at the door of that slavery. Now then,